Toyota is getting into the overlanding world in a big way. The automaker has announced its new Trailhunter grade of trucks, where the focus is on getting out and exploring. To show this off, Toyota built a concept version for the recent SEMA show in Las Vegas. Say hello to the Toyota Trailhunter Concept Truck. Soon, you'll be able to order a Toyota truck equipped with all sorts of overlanding items right from the factory. I'm curious about what this will entail on a production level truck, but the concept is undoubtedly built up nicely. Toyota has outfitted the Trailhunter concept with a revised suspension system. It features skid plate protection underneath. There's a roof rack for storing stuff, and then a raised platform in the bed with a rooftop tent mounted in place. Toyota has also reworked the bumpers, added additional lighting elements, and included a powered cooler in the bed. This truck would certainly serve as an excellent overlanding starter pack sort of vehicle. I'm a fan of the stylized compass in the logo, and the decision to use a Tundra over a Tacoma is smart too. That's because you're using a platform with greater carrying capacities, a more powerful engine, a roomier interior, and a higher gross vehicle weight rating. All of this overland gear can add serious weight, so it's good to see Toyota take that into consideration. It's quite likely, however, that a production version of this truck won't ship from the factory with all this kit. A lot of this will likely fall into the dealer accessories. And that's fine, but there's also a chance you can find other gear that might suit your needs better than what Toyota offers directly. Still, as long as the base truck itself is nicely upgraded for actually hunting trails, it's a good start. I want to hear more about the changes to the suspension. I'm curious about what tires the truck will ship with, and I'd like to hear about what items were considered and then not employed, or what was potentially not considered at all. It would be awesome to see a production Trailhunter with a dual battery setup, for example. It would be great to see some solar panels on top of that rooftop tent. There's always more in the overlanding world, which is part of the reason why a lot of builds can spiral out of control cost-wise. Toyota says it will offer up Trailhunter models for both pickups and SUVs, so perhaps the Trailhunter will soon join the TRD Pro in terms of popularity amongst Toyota off-road fans. Will Toyota also offer Trailhunter-specific color choices? Will the Trailhunter sit above or below the TRD Pro? Or will it sit alongside it as just a different path for off-road enthusiasts to take? A lot of questions remain to be answered, and Toyota says we can get those answers later on in 2023.